Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm doing my final review on the Andromeda Moto Meteor V2 gloves. So I've had these for about 2 years now, and I've done a fair few thousand miles in them. So I thought I'd give you my final impressions and what I'm replacing them with. So it's only a pair of gloves, so it's going to be a quick review, quick overview. Yeah, so the good bits, the quality and finish are brilliant. I mean, these are 2 years old, and I said done plenty of miles in them, several thousand, probably into the tens of thousands, 10,000s, I say, and they're still looking good. No major issues, and no, I've never cleaned them. That inner lining is really comfortable. It probably looks a little bit cheap, but it's not. It feels really nice, and the fit is still absolutely perfect. I mean, these are easily my most comfortable gloves I own. I'd say quite easily, because they're so nice to wear. They feel super protective. You got that knuckle armour there. You got finger armour there, abrasion resistant material on the thumb and on the wrist there, scaffold protector and sorry, and you know, and that wrist bit there. So wrist, well, arm protector, whatever it is. They feel super protective. You got all your armour there in all the right places, and even on your fingers there, and got abrasion resistant materials dotted all over the glove. The fit, as I said, is perfect, and they are a bit tight when you first get them, but they soon do wear in, trust me. So I'm a size extra large with gloves. These are extra large, and although they were, hello Benji, they were initially a bit tight, they soon wore in, and now they fit me like a glove. So yeah, so they're also reasonably okay, reasonably warm in spring, early autumn, but that's about it really. So yeah, positives, you know, it's a superb glove. You know, you get a good feel from the controls as well with everything. Nothing's worn apart from one thing, which we'll get to in a minute. There's plenty of adjustment. Yeah, so yeah, great little glove. The only bad points I would add, they're not CE approved yet, although Andromeda claimed that they will exceed all the standards. So I'm not worried myself. I personally trust them with my skin. The only problem with that is it does make them illegal to ride with in France, where you have to wear CE approved gloves. So that's one thing to bear in mind if you do tour. They've not been waterproof either, so don't think about taking these out in the rain. You're going to get wet. The only wear and tear I've experienced on it was on the left hand glove. The velcro had worn a bit and was no longer sticking properly, so it was coming undone. So I had that replaced locally for the princely sum of £10, and I had both sides replaced at the same time, so I thought, why not? Yeah, now they're pretty much good as new. So yeah, that's my final thoughts on the Meteor V2 gloves. They're, you know, if you want a sporty glove, get out and just order them. No, honestly, they're great. They're lovely. I love these gloves. So why am I getting rid of them? Well, all will be revealed. Because I have got some new ones in black. Thanks to Andromeda for sending these to me. Yeah, so I'm replacing them with a pair of black ones I shall be donating them to a friend, the black and white ones. So yeah, we'll see if these hold up just as well. Let's see if there's any issues with the Velcro after a couple of years on these. But again, these are brand new out of the packet, and again, they feel tight to start off with, so they're going to take a little bit of time to bed in for me. So I reckon after a few rides they'll be fitting me like a glove again. So yeah, thanks Andromeda, really appreciate it, and I look forward to putting some miles on them. Cheers guys, see you on the next one. GoPro stop recording.